Welcome, everyone. Faisal here. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an image using Adobe Illustrator to a single color. Let's say I have this dove image and I want to turn it into a single color like red, cyan, or even a Pantone shade. What really matters here is understanding Pantone colors, knowing how they influence the final printed outcome, and making sure you're using the right color system from the start. You might need a specific image to be just one color, or, for example, the entire brochure will be printed in one color, like green. So when you want to export for printing, the image needs to be the same color as the text. Everyone knows that you can easily change the color of text or any vector in Illustrator to whatever color you want. Okay, but what if I have this image? How can I make this image just one color so I can assign it a Pantone color? The most important thing is that I can assign it a Pantone color or give it any CMYK color, whether it's yellow, blue, black, or magenta the magenta that's more on the red side. Alright, let's start by looking at the image together. The image I have is in RGB mode. If you go here to the separation preview, let's use the separation preview so we can always make sure our work is correct. You'll always find that it's broken down into the 4 colors or made up of the 4 colors. Alright, let's see how the method works. Here's how you do it. First, I simply go to Photoshop. I give it the image. I have a PSD file, so I do Edit Original from here. Or go to Linux. If it doesn't show up for you in links here, I just click on this. When I click on Edit Original, it'll take me straight to Photoshop. Alright, so what do I do in Photoshop now? I just do one thing, which is change the mode. I go to grayscale and just click OK, that's it. Then I exit and hit save. Now I go back to Illustrator. It will tell me that there has been a change in Photoshop. And this is how you link the 2 programs together. I made a full video on my channel about how you can link Illustrator with Photoshop so that any changes you make in Photoshop are immediately reflected in Illustrator. Let's check it together. If we hit S, we'll find it. Now it's in grayscale for me. Okay, so the image has turned to grayscale. By the way, I press Command plus Shift plus H to show or hide the background that's kind of silver colored here in Illustrator. Alright, so what do I do now after I converted it to grayscale in Photoshop? Quite simply, I go to CMYK here in the color panel and give it whatever color I want. So here, cyan, or now it's navy blue, or this one is red. Or, like we mentioned, if I want, I can use Pantone colors. I have a special place called here that I call my own, the color box. I choose solid coded, and all the Pantone colors will show up. I can assign it this color or that color, or even leave the image without a specific color. Like here, green, brown, or any shade I want. These are the kinds of options you can play with to match your design perfectly. Alright. How do I know if my work is correct? Of course, as you can see, any Pantone color you choose here will show up in the separation preview. You can also go here to the swatches and create a cut, and it will show you all the colors here so you can export them. Here's how to extract Pantone colors from the swatches, or just delete them if you don't want them showing in the separation preview. Then I paste the image. It comes back here in the swatches. The Pantone color, the only one I'm using,